What is going on, guys? Josh here with Josh and Hunter's Adventures. Hunter's back there, you guys see him. We're out on the water. We've got just a little while to fish, so we're going to try to see if we can catch some. I'm going to be throwing a spook and a chatterbait. There's the spook, chatterbait. Chatterbait is on the Ducket Ghost rod. Man, I love that rod. And the spook I am throwing on that Carbon Light rod. If you guys have not seen the review that I did on this rod, please go check it out. It is the Bass Pro Shops Carbon Light 2.0. It's a 6.6 medium action, works great for top waters. But guys, hey, we're on the water. We only got a few hours to fish. You guys stick with us, see if we can catch a few. All right, guys, throw a spook a little bit. Probably been a lot of boat traffic the last couple days, which we've had some rain, so that probably doesn't help matters either. It has been overcast the majority of the day. It's been cloudy all day. I don't think if it rained, it sprinkled is all it done. I don't think I've ever seen this much rain in my lifetime. Oh my gosh, Hunter. Oh, boys, we just caught a good one. He's about to kill me. Oh my gosh. That tail, man. Think they're done spawning, or
skinny?
He's a little thin, she, whatever, but it's a good one. Just let it go, buddy. Real slow. Over here. And we were just talking about, man, we've just had so much rain, man. It's just unreal. We honestly didn't know, I mean, how we were going to do or anything. And that was sort of like on just a little bit of a bluff, sort of. When it jumped the first time, I thought it was a lot bigger than what it was. All right, guys, let's go. This chatterbait, it's got a little bit of chartreuse on it. Said it's just a water's a little bit off color. I mean, you can still sort of see visibility's probably, I don't know, I would say a foot. Visibility's probably a foot. So I thought, well, better throw something, a little bit of chartreuse in it. And I'm just reeling it, and just got another one, guys, while I was talking to you. He's fighting good.
I don't have to tie him on.
Guys, I mean, I'm sitting here talking to you, and this one absolutely chokes it, man. Another good one. Gosh, that's two fish within 15 yards, guys. Let's get a good, get that one, guys.
Hold his tail.
Yep, hold your paddle. Look at that one. Let's go. Let's go. Little. Sweet, man. All right, guys, so let's try this again. I'm gonna try to tell you. So water visibility is about a foot, and I'm just reeling and just lightly popping. is all I'm doing. I mean, nothing really, you know, different than I guess anybody else would fish a chatterbait, really. We're just fishing, you know, a rock bank, pretty steep drop, you guys can see. So we are in overcast conditions, windy. I love throwing a chatterbait though. I tell you what I know this rod right here, guys, is I don't know if you guys can see it. It's 6 foot 10 inches, medium power. I feel like this rod is more, I don't know, like a more medium heavy. I don't really feel like it's a true medium, because as you can see in my swim bait videos that I've done in the past, throwing swim baits, you can see that I throw them on it, and I mean it does really good. I feel like maybe the ducket rods are just a tad bit heavier, you know, action. It's not maybe a true medium, you know, but they're so sensitive for the money. I bought 2 of them on sale and got them for $99. And if I would have knew what I was getting when I bought them, I would have definitely bought you know, more. But I really like them. Gosh.
Talk about rolling too much in.
Hey, I hit it right at the boat. Got him?
I was getting my line
I seen it.
Don't let him go. What's he doing? He's all the way at the bottom.
But I'd watch him.
Mean.
Good job, buddy. Hunter. Number 2 off the same spot, guys. I've caught 2 off the same spot. All right, buddy. Let him go. He wanted to go?
Mm-hmm. Coming in.
Okay, guys, we'll say that was another very ungraceful landing. I don't know what's his problem. All right, let him go.
Full of shad.
Yeah, they're up here eating a lot of shad. Hold him up, let's get a good look at him. And he's nice. Set him down in there real easy.
I'm gonna hold him for a second.
Get him up on top of the water and let him go. Just as calm.
And let him take him. Up there.
Did you see that?
What?
Yep, I seen him.
Not very big.
I seen him swirl right there.
There's a ton.
Right there. That's another one. All right, guys, we're done. It's been a really good evening. We past couple of times we've come out in the afternoons. We've had about 3 hours to fish, and I mean it's been good. You guys can see they were eating the chatterbait really good. That's the only thing that we pretty much had a bite on. Hunter threw a wacky rig a little bit. He threw a spinnerbait, and I threw a spook a little bit and didn't have any luck. But they seem to eat that chatterbait. I'm off the next couple of days, so we're going to be right back out here again in the morning, trying it again. Maybe we can get some on top water. Still going to have that chatterbait ready to go.
There's a deer right there.
Hunter has spotted a deer. Sorry, guys. Yep, okay. Anyways, all right, guys, so if you like this video, go down and give us a thumbs up. Go down and leave us a comment. Let us know what you guys think. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button. Go down, turn on that notification bell. That way you know the next time we put out a video, guys. Guys, this is Josh and Hunter for Josh and Hunter's Adventures. We'll see you next time.